The most common reason your iPhone 17 Pro stops charging at 80% is that the phone is protecting its battery from overheating. When the device detects that the temperature is too high, it automatically limits charging to prevent battery damage. Other possible causes include the optimized battery charging feature being enabled, a manually set charging limit, or background apps causing the phone to warm up. In this video, you'll learn 4 quick fixes to make your iPhone 17 Pro charge past 80%. So follow along and you'll get your battery back to full capacity safely and efficiently. The first thing you need to do is set your charge limit to 100%. To check on that, open Settings, then tap Battery. Tap Charging, then make sure the charge limit is set to 100%. Once done, plug in your charger again and see if it continues past 80%. Next, disable optimized battery charging. This feature helps extend battery lifespan by learning your daily charging habits, but it can also stop charging at 80% overnight or when it thinks you don't need a full charge yet. To turn it off, open Settings, then tap Battery. Tap Charging and toggle off optimized battery charging. If your iPhone feels warm while charging, move it to a cooler location. When the temperature rises too high, the phone automatically slows or pauses charging to protect the battery. To fix this, unplug your charger, place your iPhone on a flat surface away from direct sunlight, and wait for it to cool down. Once it feels normal again, plug it back in and charging should resume past 80%. Finally, close unnecessary apps running in the background. These can increase heat and slow down charging. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold briefly. Then swipe up on all open app previews to close them. These 4 steps should be enough to help your iPhone 17 Pro charge past 80%. But if the issue continues, consider checking your cable, power adapter, or visiting an Apple Service Center for professional help. If this video helped you optimize your iPhone 17 Pro, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more ways to improve your battery performance.